Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have a large but amazing Dollar Tree haul today. I made the mistake of going into Dollar Tree with my kids, and so I picked up a bunch of stuff, not only for them, but I also saw a bunch of new Bolero products, and we all love Bolero. This is a fragrance that I have not seen in the past, so I'm thinking this is more for like fall and winter. And when I seen it, I was like, whoa, I was so blown away because they had so many more new products right now than they've ever put out for Bolero in Dollar Tree that I have ever seen. So if you are new, hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to get into showing you what I picked up today. So the first thing I'm excited by that I found were these coconut cream and vanilla gentle face scrubs by Bolero. So it says purifying, so I picked up 2 of those just in case I really liked them, and it looks like this gentle face scrub, and this is 6.7 fluid ounces. It's in this cute little jar. I love this. Now, it was sealed shut. I did open it after I got home, and what I can say is that it has a very light vanilla fragrance to it, and it's white and kind of creamy, kind of like a lotion, kind of creamy. The granules in here, like the scrubbing exfoliate in here, is really small, but I guess that's a good thing, because if this is a face scrub, you don't want really big, you know, chunky things scrubbing your face. So I don't know how it's gonna feel when I use it. I did, you know, do it on my fingers, and I thought that it was really nice. But like I said, the smell of it is nice, very light, but it's just a really light vanilla scent. The next 2 things I was excited by were these right here. These are body scrubs with coffee powder. So they are 2 different fragrances, and they say they have 2 different effects. So the coconut cream and vanilla body scrub says that it is exfoliating and moisturizing, and the cranberry and sweet orange says it is exfoliating and smoothing. So they both are 7.05 fluid ounces. When I opened up the cranberry and sweet orange, I thought it was going to be like a cream, like the face scrub, but it's actually clear, like a gel. So it's more like a gel, and the granules in this also is very small, even though this is a body scrub. So I won't really know if I really love it until I use it. But yeah, I like for my body scrubs to be a little bit, you know, chunkier to feel like they're actually working. But this is Bolero, and for $1 it is definitely worth a shot. So you know, when they put the Bolero stuff out, they have all the other stuff like the bath salts, the body oils. They had all of that. They had, you know, the whole set, but it's just that they had added some extra stuff that I had never seen before. So those were the items that I had never seen before. There is 2 more. I'll get to that right after I show you these. I did pick up the bath fizzers in both the fragrances, the coconut vanilla and the coconut cream and vanilla, and the cranberry and sweet orange. I forgot to tell you that when I opened up the body scrub, the cranberry and sweet orange had a very light orange scent. I didn't really get like the cranberry, but it did. I did get the citrus in it. So I don't know if each product is going to be different, but they smell really nice. The coconut cream and vanilla, like I said, it had a light smell of vanilla. So I just think these are super cool, and like I said, if you don't keep them for yourself, they would definitely be good in a gift basket. Then I saw these and I was like, oh, okay. So the coconut cream and vanilla is a paper foot mask, and it looks like that, and it shows you right here it's a foot mask, but it says paper foot mask. So I'm excited by that. It says soften, soothe, and repair. So that one is in there. How many? You get 1 pair of pre-treated sock-like foot mask. That's what it says for this one. And then the cranberry and sweet orange is a paper facial mask, and it looks like that. And so you guys know I'm not that big on facial masks, but I'm definitely going to give those a try. I picked up 2 of the facial wipes. I love the Bolero facial wipes. I only picked up the 2 in coconut cream and vanilla just because it has the coconut cream in it, and I thought it would be moisturizing and good for my face when I use these. So I went ahead and picked up these 2. I also got the body lotions to match, and they do smell nice, exactly what I described. Very light scent, but these are really nice, and they're not too watery. They're not the thickest, but they're not really watery. And then I also got the 3 bath bombs that come in this little pack. They're small, and in this fragrance, the coconut and the vanilla. I would have got the other one, but I just chose, I felt like I picked up enough Bolero stuff, so I only picked up this 1 pack. And I also picked up another 4 bath bombs, and this one is in lavender and wild nectar. Lavender and wild nectar. Sounds really nice. It says moisturizing and rejuvenating. Then I got this one, the peppermint and vanilla. And this one says it is calming and relaxing. The raspberry cream, I can't wait to see what that smells like. It says nourishing and restoring. And then the last one I got was oats, sugar, and shea. Is hydrating and softening. I had seen these masks in the past, but I didn't want them. But once I showed them, I got a text message from one of my sisters, and she was like, girl, next time you see them, I need you to get me some. So I picked up these 3 to send to my sister. She wanted the aloe vera, why did I say aloe vera? She wanted the aloe vera face mask, and these look like this. And I've showed these in the past. And then she wanted the pearl face mask and the collagen. The last of the beauty items was they had some bath bombs for kids. I think in my last haul I showed the, what are they, the Airheads bath bombs that I picked up, and I gave those to my daughter. This time I saw a little cute display with Mickey Mouse, and I had to get these for Pooh Bear. So this is a Mickey Mouse bath bomb, and it has the Mickey head on the actual bath bomb. I thought that was super cute. It is only 1 in here, and it's in the very berry scent. They also had Paw Patrol, so I had to get Paw Patrol. And let me see. Yeah, on the bath bomb itself down here, it shows a picture of his face on it. So not like that matters, because once you drop it in there, it's going to dissolve. But that is super cute. And this one is in the fragrance Bark and Berry. They also had some water tablets, which changed the color of the water. So I went got the Mickey Mouse and the Paw Patrol, and you get 8 of them in there, and that is what they look like. They did have some Disney princess stuff and all of that, you know, for girls. I took a picture. All the pictures will be at the end of the video, but these are the 2 packs that I picked up for Pooh Bear. So the next 2 items I picked up are these ring holders that go on the back of your cell phone, and I picked up purple and black. They did have some other colors, and hopefully these work good, because the last time I had something like this, not from Dollar Tree, I believe it was from the 99-cent store. I used it for a while, but then it actually came off. So and I liked it, so I went ahead and picked these up. Hopefully these will work out good. Back, you guys, and picked up these sachets, and just sitting here right now with them next to my face, they smell so good. The only one that I didn't get was the pine, and you get 2 per pack. And let me tell you, on the ride home, which I'm probably going to put this back in the car underneath the seats, this made my car smell so also went ahead and picked up some of the handmade cards that I showed in a different video. I could not, I had to go get them. I didn't see this one the last time, and I thought this was really cute. So I love the colors and everything on that, and it says Merry Christmas with the gold, you know, glitter antlers. The antlers have this sparkle on it. And it says, may the beauty of the season touch your heart and warm your home. Merry Christmas. And I love to keep holiday cards around for when I want to send one out to somebody. Then I picked up this one with the little woodland animals on it. And like I said before, the animals are kind of like in 3D at the bottom. Super cute. I got this one with the Santa on the truck. What does it say? It's Christmas time. So I got those. The handmade cards are so cute. And this is what I really went back for. I wanted to get 2 of these that I showed. I really, really like these. It has the straw in there that kind of looks like it's like a real straw. So I had to get that. Some really random items that I picked up was, the first thing is this one, and I had to get this glass. I used to pick up a lot of cups, but I still have like too many. So I did get this one though, and it says every hour is happy hour. And can you guess why I picked this up? Yes, because it is purple, and I really like that. They had some other ones, but this purple really just stood out to me, so I had to get that. Then I also picked up these socks because I showed them in my last walkthrough video, but I must have missed these when I picked up some of my other socks, so I had to get these. And these are the hot dogs with the buns. Some of them have mustard, and I just think these are super cute, so I had to get these. I saw a few new food items. I did get these, which is the TGI Friday sour cream mashed potatoes. And they just look like this, and I love mashed potatoes. That is like one of my favorite foods. So I had to get those to give them a try, as well as these, which is the creamy Parmesan, and that just sounds really, really good right now. Like, it sounds really good with a steak, some salad or something like that. So I had to pick up those. And then the only other food item I picked up was this box of Nature Valley peanut butter layered granola nut bars. And that's not bad for 5 bars. This is a good snack for like if you're on the go and you need that protein, you know, to fuel you up or whatever. These are really, really good. So I picked up these. And then the last thing in the food department was this foil pan. It's a pie pan with a lid, and I like the way it's shaped, you know, perfect for the pie, but it has this clear lid for once you're done with your pie, you can just flip the lid over and you have the pie pan and the lid. So I thought this would be cool. I plan on making a pie real soon, and so I needed to get this. And then the last couple things I picked up was from the toy department. There's these Star Wars titanium little, like, you know, figurines. And I thought this was cute. It says the Black Series. So I'm not big on Star Wars. Sorry for that glare. I'm not too big on Star Wars, but however, one of my sons is, so I figured he would like these. And so then here's this one, the TIE Striker. And these seem like they are really nice. I think these would definitely be retailed more than $1 somewhere else. And the last one I picked up was it's the shuttle. It has a bunch of stuff right here. I don't know what this thing is, but it's really nice. So it's like a boat, like a flying boat or something like that. I know anybody that watches Star Wars is probably going off on me right now. Girl, that's I don't know nothing about Star Wars. But then I saw these and I was like, yes, I had to get these. This brings back my childhood. Street Fighter, the video game. They had the little characters, some of them, so I picked up a few of them. This is, oops, the Star Wars things fell. This is E Honda. So I picked him up. I thought that was super cool. Here's Chun-Li. How cool is that? Street Fighter figurines. That is so fun. Then you got him. I could not tell you how to pronounce his name. Dawson. Like that. So, and there's a major glare, so I'm trying to avoid that. And then here is Blanca. If you played Street Fighter, you will definitely remember these characters. And then the last one that I picked up was not from Street Fighter, but it is from the DC characters. And this is Harley Quinn. I really like Harley Quinn. So I picked her up and she's holding a little hammer or whatever. So, yeah. I mean, her little, you know, her little sledgehammer thingy. So that is it, you guys, for today's Dollar Tree haul. I'm still excited by all of the Bolero products. I cannot wait to try some of the scrubs out. Yeah, so be on the lookout for that stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.